narrate it for us.
Well, here we are coming on the road. Are we on the road?
Yeah, I think
don't
we
know.
are.
We might be on the grass if we hit
We're on the road.
Okay, coming home from Nanny's house.
Christmas
2012. Miranda and Corey are in front of us in the yellow truck, if you can see them. We're making sure they get home okay. It started snowing at about, what, 9 this morning?
Yeah.
And it is 2:25. Check this out. Christmas Day.
White Christmas.
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas.
This guy I predict will be in the median.
You think so?
Yeah, he's got her punched.
Go Speed Racer.